how do cities treat your water and make it look clean? But is it really? You could be living under the false belief that the government is taking care of you and your family. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a short little video to show you what cities actually do when they treat your water with chlorine. If you're looking to make your family more healthy and protect the clothing you wear and the appliances you have from getting ruined by chlorine, this is a great video for you to watch. Okay, so how do water filter or water authorities treat their water? They don't have water filtration, they have water treatment. And what we're going to do is do a quick demonstration for you today. So we're going to take tap water right from the city, right? We're going to fill this guy up with like, I don't know, 100 milliliters of water. You can see that there. Looks clear, right? Yeah, it looks clear. But we're going to pretend like it got filled with junk, right? They took it out of maybe Lake Michigan, which is not very clean, or they took it out of some other lake, or I don't know where you are in the country, maybe from a river, maybe from an aquifer, and we're going to add what that would look like. That's just food coloring here. So you can see I've added all this food coloring, turns it pea yellow, right? Would you want to drink that? I know I don't want to drink it, right? We know all it is simple food coloring, but what do cities do? Well, take a look. We filled this little bottle up with chlorine, and what do? They dump that into the water supply. They have several chemicals that they add to the water to dump it, and watch what happens. I love doing this video for people. They just dump more chlorine and more chlorine and more chlorine, and presto bango, the water looks delicious, right? Now, would you want to drink that? I don't. We know that we just douse it with chlorine. So it's like, wait a second, but the government says that 3-5 parts per million of chlorine is okay. Is it? Let's see the side of this bottle. It says, danger, don't get in your eyes. Danger, don't drink, don't get on your skin. Could be, is harmful, fatal if swallowed. So it can be fatal if you swallow it in high doses, but low doses, it's okay. What's so odd about that is every single doctor tells you what you consume becomes you. I mean, look how tall I am, right? I'm 5'7". I once was a baby this big. I ate carbon and drank water, and I became this. So did you. So you are what you consume. So low doses of a toxin like that, just so that the water can be clear and you can feel comfortable about it, doesn't make a lot of sense to you. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me. So if you're looking to get that chlorine out of the water, one of the whole house systems that we do, we take the chlorine out using a carbon block or carbon filter system, and then we also soften the water in many cases, because chlorine is a necessary evil. I mean, it does kill bacteria in water, and as it's being transported from the water department to your house, you have to protect it. I don't know, it's sort of like a Snicker bar wrapper over a Snicker bar, right? You manufacture that at the plant, but you know, think about it, the workers are touching it, then the guy who's got a box that touches it, or the girl, or you know, then they take it to a distribution center, and then from there someone else is touching it. You get it to the grocery store, and the box boy or girl's got to take it out, put it on the shelf, and the little kids are touching it. Then you touch it, you put it up on the counter, and then the person who's ringing you up has got to touch it. Would you really eat that Snicker bar? No. That's why they put a wrapper over it. No different. Chlorine is a good wrapper, but boy, once it gets to your home, doesn't it make sense to take that wrapper off? Take that chlorine off? And so if you need help on getting that out, reach out to us at angelwater.com. Call us at 847-382-7800. If you've seen my videos, you know that I'm passionate about one thing, making your family healthy and helping you save money. Along that line, my name is Drew. I'm here to serve you.